Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install TeamViewer on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So first of all, to install TeamViewer, we need to download the latest version of TeamViewer.deb package. For that, I will use a command. This is the command that you will be using, so just follow this command and hit enter. This will download the latest version of TeamViewer for our Ubuntu. After we are done with the download of this TeamViewer, then we will install it into our Ubuntu. So we are done with the download of our TeamViewer. Now it's time to install our TeamViewer. To install TeamViewer, use this command that says sudo apt install space dot backslash teamviewer underscore amd64.deb. Hit enter and this command will install the TeamViewer into our Ubuntu. Here it is asking for the confirmation because it will require around 260 megabytes of additional disk space. I will press Y and hit enter. We are done here with the download and installation of our TeamViewer. Now let's see if we have TeamViewer available or not. I will just for that in my system and here it is. So we have successfully downloaded and installed TeamViewer into our Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.
If you want to read a detailed guide related to this video, I have the link in the video description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit my website tutsmake.com.